South Africans, and it's research that Momentum has done with UNISA, has shown that 60% of South Africans cannot handle a 20,000 Rand disaster. And if you don't have that kind of disaster fund, short-term insurance is even more important. Simply because there are items that you cannot live without. Your car is probably one of the most important ones. If you think about the fact that on the South African roads today, there are 12 million cars and only 30% of them are insured, then it's a huge risk that you take in your own hands if you haven't insured your car. Your home. We've seen so many people losing their homes and they haven't had insurance on that. If you do anything that is against the law, you will be in trouble. If your license disc has expired, if your driver's license has expired, if your car's tires are, not in a good condition, if you skip a red robot. So within the law, there are many things that you do that could actually put your insurer in a position where they would decline your claim. I think when you look at the value of the items that you insure, there are three things that's really important. The first one is over and under insurance, which really relates to the true value of the item that you are insuring. Let's maybe look at the contents of your home. Probably best to get an inventory. Make sure that all the items in your home is listed. Otherwise, your insurer could easily say that you tried to save some money by underinsuring, which means that your claim will be reduced. Also, don't think that it would be great to get some extra money if something gets stolen by overinsuring it. But more importantly, honesty when you put in a claim. When you complete those forms, and you have to claim for only the items that got stolen, you've got to be careful about the value there, because actually it's fraudulent behavior if you were to claim for items that was not insured. If you drive safely every day, if you stay within the speed limit, then short-term insurers like Momentum short-term insurers will actually give you money back if you behave well. And not only that, if for a certain period of time you haven't claimed, there's either cash back that you can receive or your premiums can go down. So your own behavior actually also very, very important in how your premium is determined.